Yes, we had to start from the step 5. You can see it as the calculation for reinforcement in long wall and short wall at center. Okay, first we'll see for the long wall what is the reinforcement. So the formula says that AST1 is equal to M by sigma ST into J into D. Okay, but what is M? That is ML minus TL into X. ML is the moment in long wall minus tension in the long wall into X by sigma ST into J into D. But what is ML? Here it comes as the formula is a little bit different from the previous where we had calculated the moment at the corner, but at the center it is a little bit different. That is pH into L square by 8. pH is the horizontal pressure minus ml. This is the moment what we had got after doing the moment distribution method. We had got this moment. Okay, we are just substituting these values. So that is 22.56 into 6 square by 8 minus 52.64. The value we are getting it as 48.88 kilonewton meter. This is the moment. Substituting it in the AST1, so you can just see I'm just converting this kilonewton meter into Newton mm, and even the 45.12, that is the tension in long wall, into Newton. Everything is in Newton and mm. So basically the AST1 I'm getting it as 2500.43 mm square. AST2 you can see that is TL by sigma ST is equal to 45.12 into 10 cube by 115 is equal to 392.35 mm square. So total AST1 plus AST2 you can see here 2500.43 plus 392.35 is equal to 2892.78 mm square. So I'll be using 20 mm dia bars. You can use whatever dia bars you require, but basically 20 mm dia bars, because I've used at the corner also I've used 20 mm dia bars. It'll be practically it will be very easy to place these same bars. Okay, the spacing also I'm finding out. The spacing after calculating I'm getting it as 108.13 approximately. I'll take it as 100 mm. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next step. So for short wall at center AST1 we are seeing what is the area of steel for short wall at center. For long wall at center we had seen. So AST1 you can see here it is M by sigma ST into J into D. M is the same way, MB minus TB into X by sigma ST into J into D. MB is, like I told you all, we had calculated this by moment distribution method. I'm just substituting that value, 52.64 minus 22.56 into 4 square by 8. I got it as 7.52 kilonewton meter. So this moment is a very bit, it is very much less this is. Anyway, we'll just calculate what is the steel we are getting. So TB is 67.68, which we have calculated before. Substituting these values in the AST1 and converting everything into Newton and mm, you can just see it 7.52 into 10 to the power of 6 minus 67.68 into 10 cube into 80 by 115 into 0.851 into 185. It is 117. The steel is very much less. Let's see what is AST2, that is TB by sigma ST. Substituting the TB value and sigma ST values, we are getting it as 588.52 mm square. So total AST is AST1 plus AST2 is equal to 1117 plus 588 minus 0.52, that is 70.52. You can just see here we are using 20 mm dia bars, and the spacing also I am calculating it. So the spacing what I will be getting it as 445.28. You can just see, as the moment is less and spacing is large, we will take 20 mm dia bars at 200 mm center to center. So as I had told you, the moment is very much less, so that is why we are getting very large spacing of 445 mm center to center. That is very much large, so we'll just take the half of it, around 200 mm center to center. Okay, fine. So let's see now the moment in the vertical direction. So basically we had calculated the moments and the area of steel at the corner of long wall and short wall and center of long wall and short wall. Now we'll see what is the moment in vertical direction. Looking at that, we'll get the vertical bars also. Okay, horizontal bars we have calculated. Now vertical bars we'll see. So the cantilever moment, as you can see, the area of triangle is half into base into height. So the base, the pressure acting at the base is gamma into H1. Okay, and the height is, we are seeing for the cantilever moment, as I had told you, from the base small h will act as cantilever part. So this is cantilever moment. So moment is basically area of triangle into the centroid. So area is half into base, as you can see there, gamma h, capital H1 into h by 3 the centroid. We got it as 5.4. Even this is very much less. So AST what we are getting it as Substituting this value, we are getting it at 298.26 mm square. But AST minimum is 0.3% of gross area. So after calculating, seeing the AST minimum, we are getting it as 555 mm square. So AST, we'll take AST minimum because the AST calculated from the cantilever moment is very much small. We can't take that. So using 10 mm dia bars, spacing we are getting it as 140 mm center to center. So these are the vertical bars which we'll have to place in the walls. Now the last step is left, design of base slab. Let's basically everywhere we assume the thickness as 150 mm only, the base slab. You can check it in the any textbooks, whatever you are referring. You can see the base slab is taken, the thickness is assumed and it is taken as 150 mm. Okay, AST minimum is provided, the steel is provided with the AST minimum, that is 0.3% of gross area, that is around 450 mm square. So what is 150? You can see 0.3% of gross area means 0.3% of BD. So you can see B we are taking it as 1001 unit width and 150 is the depth of the base slab. So 450 mm square, we are using 10 mm dia bars and the spacing we are getting it as 170 mm center to center. So anyway, we have completed the problem here. We have got the horizontal bars at the corner as well as at the center of long wall and short wall, and these are the vertical bars, and the design base slab has also been designed. So this is how the water tank will be designed. You can refer this problem like you can go through all this problem. You won't if you find any difficulty, you can give it in the comment box. I'll answer it to you. Anyway, you can see the, you can just I'll just check the figure. What is the, I just want to see, we'll just see what is the how the reinforcement and detailing will be provided. We'll just check that, and with that we'll be able to finish it. Okay, anyway, thanks a lot. We'll finish it here.